Hi, I'm Jessica Dixon, and today I will be presenting my science fair project, which is called Does Color Affect the Way Candles Burn? For my project, as you could tell by the title, I wanted to know whether or not color affected the way candles burn. Before I began my experiment, I predicted that maybe the color of candles would affect the way they burn because I thought darker color candles have the tendency to burn faster than lighter colored candles due to them retaining a lot of heat. The first candles were called tapers. They were made of fats of animals such as cows and sheep. As many centuries passed by, more candle makers began using beeswax rather than tapers due to the fact that it was less messy and smelly. The wicks that are typically used are made of cotton or linen and are called wire core wicks. The rate of the burning of a candle depends on the color, temperature, material, and the way everything in a candle is positioned. For the procedure, the first step would be to get all 4 candles of different colors and stick them in Play-Doh. Now for this, I forgot to purchase Play-Doh, so as an improvisation, I stuck holes in plastic cups with a pen. The next step would be to place the 4 different colored candles in the Play-Doh and light them. Let them burn for 2 minutes, then blow them out and begin recording your data. Then repeat the step 2 more times. So this is the data that I've collected when I conducted my experiment. So surprisingly, for all 3 trials, the candle results were all the same. So as you can see for trial 1, it's all the same. Trial 2 is the same thing. And it's the same for trial 3 as well. Surprisingly, my experiment did not support my hypothesis at all. Based on my data, I learned that color does not define how rapid or gradual a candle burns. It all has to do with how a candle is made and the materials, other than dye, used to make the candle. During the entire process of conducting my experiment, I have not been able to identify any errors except one. While conducting my experiment, I probably would have gotten a better result of candle sizes that were around the same length after burning. I think that maybe the candles needed more time to burn in order to see an actual change in my results. Unfortunately, that was not made possible due to the fact that the candles I had purchased only lasted for 5 minutes and I only allowed them to burn for 2. Taking this experiment a step further, rather than focusing on the color of each candle and the rate they burn, I could have focused on whether or not specific chemicals affect the burn time. I could have done this by using different candles that were made with different chemicals. And that's it. Thank you for watching.